Hello everyone. Today I am going to solve the question number 4, and last class you have learned how to write a fraction. What is a fraction? You have known about it, so it will be easy for you to do 4 number. So the first question they have given the write the fraction, and they have given the numerator and denominator. So in a fraction there are two things, in up and down, and the up is known as numerator and the down is known as denominator. So how will you write how will you solve the question? So write the fraction they have given. So I will do you, as you can see. So write the fraction, numerator is 4 and denominator is 7. So how will you write in a fraction? Simple. The numerator is always used to be in the up, so it will be 4. It's written numerator is 4 and the denominators they have given 7, so it is 4 by 7. So this is the fraction 4 by 7. So this is the answer number 4n. The second question they have given the write the fraction for the number of sweets taken. Total number of sweets is equal to 10 and the number of sweets taken is 5. So how will you do this type of question? So this is also very simple. The same thing I have told you, that the up is known as the number of parts taken or left, right? And the down part, that is the denominator, describes the total number of equal parts. So total number of sweets is given 10 and the number of sweets taken is 5. So what will be the fraction? How will you write the fraction? Very easy. So it will be what? You will write the fraction in what? The answer will be what? The total number will be in down, and how many it's taken? It's 5. So 5 by 10, which can also be written as 1 by, so you just write this fraction first, 5 by 10. So you need to simplify it, but no need to simplify in this case. So this is the answer number B. So number 5 question they have given that how to solve these questions. As you can see, 5a 1 by 5 of 20. So I will just directly tell you how to do it. It's very simple. A number they have given that you need to solve this question, 1 by 5 of 20. So how will you do 1 by 5 of 20? Very simple. Just put a equal mark. So this of means what? That the question is that 20, if 1 by 5 20 times it is there, so it is equal to how much? Understood? So that is the question that they are asking. So if you need to simplify, means in simple thing is that this of means into. So how will you do 1 by 5? This of means into 20, right? Now this 1 into 20, you see 20, you are thinking that in down it's nothing, it's 20 by 1 is there. In the down they have given 1, and 20 by 1 is 20 only, 20 divided. So this fraction symbol you have seen, this means divide. You just remember that. So 20 by 1 is 20 only. So if you divide, so 1 into 20 is 20, 20 by 5. That means 20 by 5 means what? 20 divided by 5. So if you do 20 divided by 5, you will get what? So 5 into what is 20? Its answer you will get it 4. So this is the answer number. And if you forget it also, you just think that 5 into what is 20, you will get the answer. That way also you can do. So I am doing one more number, question number C I am doing, and they have given 1 by 4 of 20. Similarly you can tell me 4 into what is 20? I think 5. Answer you know it, but I will do in this process 1 by 4 into 20 I am doing. So 20 by 4 is equal to how much? You will get 5. Understood? You know the that is the main thing, is that you need to know the multiplication and division very nicely, then only you will do this type. Now this all diffraction or decimal all are related to multiplication and division. So if you don't know, it will be difficult for you. You read it properly. So if you know 4 into what is 20, then you can directly put also. So 1 by 4 into 20, this off means into, so 1 into 20 is 20, 20 by 4, 20 by 4 means what? If you do 20 by 4 means what? 20 divided by 4. So if you 20 divided by 4, you will get 5. Similarly for this also. So this much for you. I think you can do other questions. So this number 6 they have given that you need to fill the correct symbol, right? Correct symbol, you need to put the correct symbol. So you have got 2 by 7, 5 by 7. This means what? That total number of equal parts is 7. Suppose you have 7, you have divided that parts into 7. So one have got 5 by 7 and another have got 2 by 7. So just tell me which one will get more. Obviously 5 will get more. And this 2 by 7 and 5 by 7 is a like fraction, right? So that way you can compare, it will be easy for you to compare. See, if 7 is there, 7 you have, suppose you have 7 total number of parts, and out of that 5 you have given to 5 parts you have given to someone, and you have given 2 parts out of that 7 to someone. So you just tell me who will get more. Obviously 5 by 7. So it will be this symbol, right? So this one, obviously open side is greater, you just remember that, okay, and this side is smaller. Similarly for question number B I am doing, what symbol will you put? 1 by 4 is given, 2 by 4. So 4 parts is there, one you have given 2 parts and another you have given 1 part. So which one is greater? Obviously 2 parts who have got 2 out of 4 is greater. So this much for today. I think in next class I will complete the check check what I know. 7 and 8 question I will do show you how to do it with this. Thank you for watching.